I'm here with Itamar Friedman. Itamar, tell us about your company and a little bit about its background and the meaning of the name.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So we're formerly known as Codium AI. We love the name. We use Codium as the name for our models. Codium stands for us as the basic element of code. LLMs understand snippet of code and even a few files pretty well. Like that's the enabler for everything we're doing, like reinventing software development. But LLMs are not sufficient for helping in improving the quality of development, and that's what Qodo stands for: quality of development. We want to help developers have less bugs and issue in their code. We want to catch like stuff like bugs and issue before they hit production. We want to help with maintainability, compliance, etc. And to do that, you need Qodo. So that's like the renaming reason that we had. Let me start again. We have three level of technology stack. First is the infrastructure. Obviously, our models. We try really hard to be agnostic to models, which is not simple considering we have a lot of flows and different type of techniques that we use in the middleware. I'm going to share about that, but we do make efforts to be agnostic. So for example, we support Bedrock with Anthropic as an example and OpenAI and our own models, which are called Codium. In the infrastructure, there's the additional technologies, for example, indexing code. And we can get back to that because indexing complex code with tens of thousands of repos and millions of lines of code is not simple, and we are very unique and advanced on that aspect. In the middleware, we have 30 different modules, like techniques that we use that are specific for code review and code testing. Qodo is an advanced, quality first coding platform for complex code. We help developers to review, test their code in addition to code generation. So the middleware is very important for us. We have like techniques like mutation testing that we exploit and other techniques to test the quality of tests, just as an example. So that's in the middleware. And then on the top, there's the applications. We provide various tools, agents that connect to different UI across the SDLC, across the software development processes. For example, we have Qodo which is an ID extension, connects to VS Code and JetBrains. And we also have, for example, Qodo Merge, which is a PR agent, a pull request agent that helps with making pull requests more efficient, which is connected to the code management system. For example, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, you name it. These are two of a few applications of agents that we have. So that's a stack: the infrastructure with the models and indexing, the middleware, where you have different techniques that are specializing in code review and code testing and context-aware code generation, and then the application on the top that connects to your tool chain. We want to help you exploit AI wherever you are working to solve those tedious tasks like code review and code testing.
So, did you train on the separate models to get that infrastructure layer in place?
So we obviously we have sorry. So we have four different models that we use for different, like, let's say, use cases. For one is autocomplete. The other is around like chatting about code, including the using the indexing, like the RAG, retrieval augmented generation. Then we have models that are specific for code testing and code review, where we exploit our relevant and unique data. And then the fourth one is actually a code embedding. It's hard to find a really good code embedding model. You can find many embedding models, but finding a code embedding model it's quite rare. So we develop our own models first to increase the quality of our solution. But the second reason is because many of our clients, like think about Fortune 100, for even Fortune 5000 companies, they prefer to have like an on-prem like VPC, and some of them even air-gapped solution. So the fact that we have our own model enable that, and in some cases, in our specific use cases, our models are better even than the state-of-the-art models out there.